We'll guide you through how to plot multiple lines in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Excel, and so you want to go and make a chart or graph with multiple lines. We're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure there's a full guide and don't go and skip anything. So you can go and see here, I've got some data here. So I've got the year, and then I've got sales, revenue, and profit. And I want these to be plotted as different lines along the year. So the year is going to be in the x-axis, and the y is then going to be sales, revenue, and profit. Make sure this is carefully so you go and achieve what you want to. And we're going to show you how you can edit it as well. So to go and get started, you need to come to the top ribbon in Excel and press Insert. Come over to the right, and you need to go and find the option in Charts, and you want to go and find Line or Area Chart. Click there. You can see what it looks like, and it'll say that when you hover over it. And then what you can do is go and choose the design you want. I'll go for this first one here, and you then get this blank square here or rectangle. And now we can get started with plotting. So right click it, go down the list and find the option for select data. Now what we want to do is you want to come into these bottom boxes here. So the left, this is going to be the Y axis, which is going up. So what we can do is go and press add. You can give the name, so you can just press the arrow to the right and you can go and select the heading here or title and then press it to the right. Then come into series values and press the arrow to the right. And you want to go and click, hold and drag like so and select the data for that heading. Press the arrow to the right, press OK, press add again, press the arrow to the right of the name and select it. In this case, it's revenue for me. And we'll press it again to the right. Then we'll go and press the arrow for values and click, hold and drag to select it, and then press it to the right, press OK, press add again and select the next line. So I'll press the arrow, then select the title, close that. And in series values, I'll press the line up again, arrow, and then click, hold and drag to select it and press it again. Then press OK. Then in horizontal, you want to go and press edit to the right. And then what you want to do is go and just click, hold and drag. Do not include the heading. And then you can go and press OK. And there we have it. Now what you can do is go and press OK. And as you can see, there it is. You've now gone and made it. So you can go and click on chart title and we can go and set that to business data or whatever you want. You can then click off of it and just click the blank area. You can press the plus to the right. And let's see when it access titles, they're then going to be added. So you can then go and type in what you want. So I can at the bottom have year. And I could then go and type in what it is. So it's sales, revenue, profit, and you go and get the idea. You can also go and press chart styles to customize it, press the filters as well.